Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? He plus then. He then. Sent. Heaven sent. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thanks, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our show. Please welcome also, returning from yesterday's program, lady's name is Bridget de Guarfas. Did I get it right? Closer?
Close.
I'm never going to get it, am I, Bridget? What is it?
De Jarfas.
De Jarfas, De Jarfas. It's Hungarian. It is not
That's
Hispanic. All right. You are facing a newcomer today. You got rid of Shelley.
Yes, I
She
did.
won the car, so you don't have to worry about her. You do have to worry about this young man. His name is Alex Arsenis.
Yep, that's right, Alex.
I got it right?
Yep.
Arsenis. Sounds Hispanic. You look Filipino.
Yes, I'm Filipino, and I'm a first-year student at El Camino College.
Aha. With a view to doing what when you get to be a junior and senior? What are you going to specialize in?
I'd like to major maybe in psychology, if I could.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know it's very extensive, but...
You could help me out.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What can I do for you, Alex?
Well, you could tell me why I do the things I do. But later, wait for the commercial break. Right now, we don't want to interrupt this feast.
Academy Broadway products designed for carefree outdoor fun includes Dome 10 nylon sleeping bags, double wide air mattress, and travel packs furnished by Academy Broadway. Alex.
A classy lady, even in a camping situation. Bridget and Alex, take a look over here and we will show you where you find the camping equipment. It is at number 12. We also have a vacation in Jamaica, man.
Okay.
Pain, says Alex?
Pains of desire.
All right, Alex, you get to pick first.
Okay, let's go fishing for a vacation or a wild card under number 18, please.
Word processor?
Okay, I could use that. I'm in school. Let's find the match under number 9, please.
Jamaica Beach Resort Vacation. No match.
Jamaica.
Bridget?
Okay, let's find Jamaica. Jamaica's under number 24.
No, but a wild card is there, so it might as well be, Bridget.
Okay, number 9, I'm going to Jamaica.
Lady wants to go to Jamaica. The other one is located right next to the wild card at number 23. And so let's do it. Let's open 3 panels for Bridget. Select again.
Okay, number 22.
Green take.
To protect my Jamaica trip. Let's find a match under number 10.
There's another wild card. A green take is coming Bridget's way as soon as we show you where the other one is. It's at number 20. Here you go, to protect your Jamaica vacation. Open it up. Go again.
No, okay, let's go on the top left of the board, number 2.
Ice cream for a year.
Okay, let's find the match for that under number 11.
Diamond and sapphire pendant. Alex.
Okay, let's start getting some prizes. How about upper right-hand corner, number 5?
Word processor.
Okay, let's match that with number 18, please.
Word processor is right. Now, I would think that's a prize that a college student could use.
Yeah.
Would find very, very helpful.
Writing all the papers and homework and
You bet.
everything.
Yeah, let's take a look. Select again.
Okay, let's try the lower left-hand corner at number 21, please.
Diamond and sapphire pendant.
Okay, we just saw that. Was that under number 7?
No, an encyclopedia set. Bridget.
I know where this is. Under number 11.
Diamond and sapphire.
21.
And diamond and sapphire pendant in each spot. He's got that word processor up there, Bridget. That's a good prize.
Yeah, I'll hold on to it.
Hold on to your take to protect the Jamaica vacation. Right. 2 panels in column 1. Sounds like a Chinese menu. 2 in column 1. I'll have 1 in column 2. Bridget, select.
Okay, let's look at the top of the board at number 1.
Luggage.
Luggage to go to Jamaica with. Okay, let's find the match for that under number 19.
Encyclopedia set. No match for you, but I bet you we've got one for Alex.
Oh, jeez, if I could just remember where it was. Number 7?
Yes.
Okay, and 19, please.
7 and 19. You can remember.
Okay.
Brain surprises you sometimes, doesn't it? All right, take a look, Alex. Go again.
Okay, did we see number 2 yet?
Ice cream for a year.
We saw that. Let's try at the corner at number 25, please.
Car telephone. No match. Bridget.
Oh, I sure like that car telephone. Excuse me. Let's look under number 3.
Car phone.
Yes, and the match for that under number 25.
25 is good. Now, he's got the word processor and the encyclopedia.
I'm saving it. I'm protecting Jamaica.
Okay. 2 doors swinging open for Bridget. Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 15.
Camping equipment.
And the match for that under number 12.
Camping equipment. And I'm not even going to bother asking you about the green tape. I'm going to assume...
No, I'm gonna, because I know this puzzle.
Oh, now you want to... Sure, fake me out.
I'm gonna take the word processor.
All right, word processor going into Bridget's column. Camping equipment doors swinging open, and she's offering this as a solution.
It just goes to show you.
It just goes to show you. And it just goes to show you that's how you win a game. Come on, Bridget. Well done. You were right. You didn't want to play against Shelley.
That's a hit and a chest and a ghost and a who for it just goes to, and the show, the SH plus the ho plus the U show you. It just goes to show you.
Just goes to show you. Nicely done. Alex, just 1 strike against you, and what that means is that game number 2 today is going to be very important because Bridget has a strike also. Good luck to you in that one. We'll see you when you come back. Bridget, let's hear about your prizes, and you're going to go to Jamaica too.
Right.
Gene.
A diamond sapphire pendant, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond sapphire pendant or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a word processor. Smith Corona's easy to use all-in-one PWP 2100 portable word processor comes with an 8-line by 80 character display and features a built-in disk drive for unlimited storage and a car phone. Novatel's Go Anywhere portable cellular telephone features full function capability in a lightweight package, furnished by Novotel, and a Jamaica Beach Resort. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Jamaica, and you'll spend 6 nights at the luxurious Holiday Inn Montego Bay Beach Resort on a white sand Caribbean beach. Fine dining, dancing, and entertainment with the warm hospitality of Jamaica, furnished by Holiday Inn Montego Bay Beach Resort. And, of course, the camping equipment. And you have won a prize package worth $4,463.
Good beginning for you, Bridget. We'll see how well you do playing for a brand new car right after this.
It's party time!
Bridget, this is your first time in the winner's circle, so I'm going to run down the list of cars for you. I want those names to be really firmly etched in your mind. On the bottom shelf, we have the Honda Civic, then the Volkswagen Fox, the Hyundai Excel, the Daihatsu Charade, the Jeep Wrangler, Suzuki Swift, Subaru Justy, and at the top, the Ford Festiva. Ready to do it?
You bet.
All righty. Here come the 15 numbered squares, and here is base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck, Bridget. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
4, 8,
Right?
10, 11,
No.
13, 5,
No.
14, 1,
No.
3, 13,
No.
6, 13,
Yep.
9, 7,
No.
5, 12, 15, 11.
Amazing how the voice starts to trail off after you realize that you're not going to win the car. But you've got $4,463 in prizes and a big game coming up against Alex Arsenis right after this. Stay with us, folks. Bridget was just giving Alex some good advice. She was telling him to relax a little because she told me just before she went into the winner's circle a little while ago that she felt a lot more relaxed today than she did in the first game against Shelley. And that's an important factor, isn't it?
It really helps.
Okay. Now, of course, to add to the pressure for both of you, the fact that you've each got a strike against you. However, there's some great prizes in this second game, starting off with this.
Service for 8 of fine English bone china in the popular Pembroke pattern, each piece handcrafted and finished by master English artisans from the fine china collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
And we will show our contestants where they can find that prize on the board. It is at number 5. 5 bonus car seconds in this game. We have $600 in the cash pot. And we have a holiday in Tucson at a golf and tennis resort.
Great.
But just the one wild card to assist you. Alex, you go first.
Hey, I really hope I find that wild card. I think it's under number 18.
No, we have a red take there.
Okay, let's match that up under number 12.
No, China service for 8. Here's a match for Bridget.
You bet. Let's look under number 5 for that china.
Yes.
And number 12.
That's right. That's right. You need a China service for 8?
You bet.
Yeah?
You bet.
You need anything
Just
we've got?
married. Yeah, I'll take anything.
All right, let's take a look.
No.
Pick again.
Okay, let's look under number 2.
His and her fashion
Great.
sweaters.
That'd be wonderful. Let's find the match for that under number 20.
Wild card, the one wild card in this game. Bridget has found it. And the other fashion sweaters are on that top line at number 4. So 2 panels open up there and 1 on the 4th line. And because they're all on the perimeter, it's kind of tough to come up with a solution.
Yeah. Okay, let's
again.
Okay, let's look under the bottom of the board at number 22.
Coffee maker.
Coffee maker. Great. Let's find the match for that at number 24.
No, gold bracelet. Alex.
Okay, let's go fishing for some prizes. Number 10, please.
Gold bracelet.
Okay, number 24.
Just like that.
All right.
Alex, you're a student, a freshman in college. Of all the prizes we have on the board or that you have seen in recent games on Classic Concentration, is there one that really you would like to say, hey, I won that on Classic Concentration, or are you just here to have fun and win as much as you can?
Well, there was I just really like to go on a trip.
Trip?
To go someplace different, exotic.
Well, Tucson, that golf and tennis resort
Yeah.
vacation, it's very nice. You get to lie out there in the sun, play tennis. Do you play tennis?
Off and on.
You play golf? Off
No,
and
not
on?
really.
Do you ski?
I skied before.
What do you do, Alex?
I study a lot, I eat and I sleep, and that's just about it.
Yeah, when you're a freshman, you have to do a lot of that. Take a look here at the puzzle as these 2 panels open. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 9, please.
Cash pot.
All right, I could use that. Money's great. Number 17.
Money's as good as cash. Leather attachés for 2. No match. Bridget.
Okay, great. I really want to find that cash. Let's look under number 1.
Cash pot.
And number 9.
Number 9. Bridget is rolling today. Hurting poor Alex. Swing them open. Go again.
Okay, let's look at the bottom right of the board, number 25.
Tucson Golf and Tennis Resort Vacation.
Let's find the match for that at number 6.
No. Leather attachés for 2. Alex.
Okay, let's get that leather package under number 17.
Right?
And number 6 for a match, please.
Yes, there are the attachés going up in your column. And we're going to open these 2 panels for you. Select.
Okay, dead center, number 13, please.
Green take.
Okay. We see that under, no, we didn't see that yet. How about number 16, please?
No, 5 bonus car seconds there. Good,
Yeah,
a good match to make.
I could really use those. Let's look under number 19.
Coffee maker.
I believe that was under number 22.
I think you're right. And it was. You were right and I was right, but you get a chance to win prizes. Take a look.
Oh.
Try it again.
Okay, let's...
Did you suddenly come up with it, you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah? All right.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Let's look under number 14.
Tucson Golf
And
and Tennis Resort
25,
Vacation.
yes.
And 25 makes it a match. Now, as you heard a moment ago, ladies and gentlemen, she thinks she's come up with the solution. Alex is beside himself here wondering, is he ever going to get a chance to get back in the game? Let's open the panels. Bridget?
Is it diamond in the rough?
Diamond in the rough. You didn't think that was it? Well, why did you say that?
I don't know.
Oh, golly. Well, you explain it now.
Okay, here we have a dime and dim, I guess. And
What is
D.
it?
Is it dim? Oh.
No. Look at
On.
Back up a second. Now, look at this headlight. What's this headlight? This is
On.
off.
Okay.
No, this is off.
Oh, this one's off and this one's
This
on.
is on.
I told you I didn't know. The first line is diamond, and there's a hen and the and rough. Diamond in the rough.
Yeah, when you're in doubt as to how to explain a symbol, just give the whole line. First line is diamond. That's it. Alex.
Oh, no.
Ooh, hiss, yeah. Another
Right.
strike against. That's 2 strikes and means we have to say goodbye.
Okay,
but
well, you never
we've got
know.
parting gifts for you
Thanks
backstage.
a lot. I had a great time.
All right, take care. Good luck to you in school. Get some sleep. All right. Bridget is now going to hear about her prizes, and Jean is going to tell us.
A cash pot worth $600, a coffee maker, and his and her fashion sweaters. Jansen's Fashions for men and women. Versatile designs in swimwear, golfwear, sportswear, and sweaters. Designed for your personal style in rich colors and distinctive knits furnished by Jansen. And a Tucson Golf and Tennis Resort. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Tucson. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Sheraton Tucson El Conquistador Golf and Tennis Resort. This award-winning 4-star hotel is a desert oasis at the foot of the scenic Santa Catalina Mountains. And, of course, the China Service for 8, a prize package worth $4,943.
It's another big win for you, Bridget. Now, you mentioned you've got your first anniversary coming up soon, so it would be nice to win a car in honor of
You
that.
bet,
We'll
you
find
bet.
out if Bridget can do it when we return following this break. Now, here are the 15 numbered squares. You didn't do too well last time, but you've got 5 extra seconds right now. You're going to be working with 40 seconds on the clock.
Okay.
Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 8,
Yes.
11, 13,
No.
5, 13,
Right.
14, 7,
Right.
15, 12,
No.
4, 9,
No.
11, 6,
No.
6, 15,
Yes.
1, 12,
Yes.
3, 9,
No.
2, 3,
No.
2, 9,
Yeah.
3, 11.
No. You came close. Came
I
close.
shouldn't have given
You
up.
shouldn't have what?
I sort of
You sort of gave up, and then all of a sudden you made a couple of quick matches and you said, hey, wait a minute, maybe I can win this after all. But that's okay, you're going to play again. You've got $9,406 in prizes, and that's very good going. We're going to go away. We're going to come back. First, though, we need to hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Daisy Turbo Spa makes your bath an aerated whirlpool that soothes, refreshes you. Pamper yourself with a Daisy Turbo Spa. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the great elements of the Judeo-Christian ethic is the fact that once you make a mistake, you are allowed a second chance. And so we are going to give Marjorie a second chance right now. She could not do the contestant plug correctly. Let's see how well she does in
But that's not my job to do.
the Classic Concentration home game. Tell the folks about this. Tell it like it is. On second thought, give it to me. This is a good game to have, particularly if you would like to be a contestant on the program. You go out and buy this game, and I don't know how much it costs, but it's worth it if you get to be a contestant on the show because you will be ready to win
Practice makes perfect.
the way Bridget is ready to win.
That's right.
We'll see you all next time.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration. a Mark Goodson television production.